Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your screen automatically changing the brightness or dimming. So this typically is associated when you're watching videos or media on your computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the solution. And we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, so come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select apps. And then on the right side, you want to locate video playback. Go ahead and left click on that. If you see an option to save network bandwidth by playing video at lower resolution, make sure that's toggled to the off position. And there may be additional options in here as well to adjust video based on lighting. You want to go ahead and toggle that to the off position. So again, make sure that is toggled off. And that's assuming you have a light sensor on your computer. So again, turn that auto brightness off if you have an option in there. If you don't have an option, but you're pretty sure you do have a light sensor on your computer, you can select the additional related settings and see if maybe Windows has moved them to a different area here. But again, the setting specifically reads to adjust video based on lighting. So again, that's something that you may or may not have on your system. But pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.